Welcome to the Squirrel Valley Railroad. Most people build model railroad layouts according to their definition of fun. To some, fun is defined as modeling a prototype as precisely as possible in looks, operations, consists, switching operations, or terrain, or all of these things. To others, just a general feel for the prototype is enough, and accuracy isn't as important as whether the finished layout is fun to operate. Still others like to freelance it and try to get all the aspects of the hobby they enjoy most into a dream layout. My wife and I are in this latter group, and the Squirrel Valley Railroad is modeled not after an existing railroad, but after the model train fantasies that are to be found in my imagination as well as hers. The Squirrel Valley is set in the 1950s for the same reason so many others choose this period. So we could use both diesel and steam on the same layout without it looking foolish. The Mikado steam engine is used to pull the main line's passenger train. mostly for sentimental reasons. But most other tasks are done with early diesel locomotives. The layout is 12 feet by 25 feet and done in N scale. It has lots of automatic features, like an elevated train and a subway train that run back and forth on their tracks automatically, stopping and pausing before reversing at either end of the tracks. The Squirrel Valley is a triple folded loop dog bone layout, technically, but in reality it operates simply as one big loop of track with lots of sidings and spurs. As a matter of fact, we often just turn it on and it runs itself, since it has 21 throttle dials that are set to about 30 miles an hour, which allows fast trains to highball and slow trains to act like slow freights, which is what they are. The running of the trains is quite simple. Turn them on and walk around with them, using throttles to stop the trains at stations. We totally concur with the new trend in which more and more hobbyists walk around with their trains in order to enhance the virtual reality of model train operations. This trend is right on the money, in our opinion. Some prefer plug-in tethered throttles and cab selection switches. Others like wireless DCC or others wireless non-DCC systems. We like these systems as well, but for our purposes, we'd still rather run a multi-throttle operation. It's nearly as simple as it sounds. There's a throttle about every 6 feet all around the layout, and each throttle controls the 6 feet of track nearest it.